One thing I like about the MSMA program is it helped me understand the background, like where's the information coming from. We live in this day and age where the data is widely available. We always talking about the big data, and everyone talking about that. Everyone have the opportunity to harvest data from many different sources, but a lot of us don't know what to do with that and how to make the data works and speak back to us. With the MSMA program help us to understand, like strategically to harvest those data right at the beginning, to understand the whole process, where is how to plan for that, how to harvest that, and later on how to make those data works for us. So the whole process, the mindset, and as well as the background information is very critical.